Hello dear student, good afternoon to all. So today I am going to start our next point, that is compost. In compost we discuss on definition of compost, definition of composting, their chemical composition and three methods of composting. Also their types. Okay. So last lecture we discuss on some definition of manures, organic manures, FIM, their chemical composition, classification of organic manures and their three methods. Okay. So today I am going to start our this point, that is compost. So in that topic, firstly we discuss on definition of compost. So compost is a naturally bulky organic manures. Okay, it prepared in bulk amount. It is obtained by decomposition of organic residue through the action of microorganism. Okay, so remember one thing, it is difference between FIM preparation and compost preparation. In FIM preparation methods, it's nothing use any microorganism. Okay, in compost making use the microorganisms. Okay, then definition of composting. So composting is a largely biological process in which aerobic and anaerobic microorganism decomposes the organic matter under medium to high temperature, means related temperature 60 to 65 ounce degree Celsius approximately, and then lower the CN ratio of that residue. Okay, means it is a fully biological process. It is anaerobic or anaerobic in presence of oxygen or absence of oxygen with the help of microorganism. Okay, under medium to high temperature. Then see the chemical composition of compost. In that nitrogen is 0.8%, phosphorus in P2O5 that is 0.3%, and in potassium oxide that is 1.5%. In compost potassium is high as compared to nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay. Then see the types of compost. Basically two types, farm and urban compost, means rural and urban compost. In farm compost, also known as rural compost, in which include weeds, crop stubbles, bhusa, straw, cotton stalk waste, groundnut husk, leaves of sugarcane, also sugarcane trash. Okay, then urine soaked earth, also litter from cattle shed. Also cattle are not kept in farm litter, such as like urinated soil, dung. Also it converted this compost manures in farm itself, called farm compost. Then see town compost. Town compost made up by using the excreta of human beings, which is night soil particularly, also street and house refuges. Okay, it include also wood ashes, is called town compost. Okay, so these are the two types of compost, farm means rural compost, town and urban compost. Okay, then see next first method, means there have three methods of composting: indoor method also known as heap method. Okay, Bangalore method known as pit method and NADP method. So this in that point that is important objective, indoor method also known as heap method, Bangalore method also known as pit method. Okay, so today I am going to discuss our first method, that is indoor method or heap method. So in this method, indoor method is developed by Howard and Wade at the Institute of Plant Industry, Indore at Madhya Pradesh. That's why name is given as indoor method. Okay, also this is the aerobic decomposition method and temperature is above 65 to 70 ounce degree Celsius. Okay, means this method fully decomposed in the presence of oxygen. Okay, this material indoor method, okay, indoor method, in that material is fully decomposed with the help of oxygen. Okay, then see the some reactions after application in trenches of some material. Sugar and cellulose present in material converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Protein, amino acid and organic nitrogen converted into ammonia, NH3. Then organic sulfur converted into sulfur oxide, and organic phosphorus converted into phosphoric acid. So these are the reaction after decomposition of the some material. Okay, then see there are basic things in that, how to fill that pit range or pit, okay, and which material used in that trenches. Okay, firstly take up one trench. Okay, size is around 30 into 14 into 2, respect like 30 feet long, okay, 14 feet broad and 2 feet deep. This is the size of that particular pit. Okay, then the farm waste is spread a layer of about 3 inches depth in a pit of this size, and this layer is sprinkled with mixture of wood ash and urine. Also, then second inch of dung is spread and sprinkled with water. Okay, firstly in below ground level we have 3 inches trench filled the some material like farm waste, okay, refuges and weed and other part. Then again there layer of soil, okay, or also wood ash, also urinated soil, okay, then sprinkled then water, that layer sprinkled on water. Then this pit should be same sequence, similar manner filled till height of 2 feet above the ground level is reached. Okay, similar manner this pit is filled with the help of the material up to 2 feet above the ground level, Then it heap is watered the evening and morning session also. Top is covered with plastered with help of cow dung and mud. Okay, this top is covered with the help of mixture of cow dung and earth slurry. Okay, and daily it is sprinkled the water evening and morning session. Then to ensure uniform mixing, to provide air water needed for their organism, for material turning 3 times. Okay, this material filled material turned 3 times, okay, in 3 months, because full decomposition process in 3 months is required for full decomposition of that material. Then first turning when pit is 10 to 14 days, okay, first turning. Then second turning after first turning 14 days means 28 days, and third turning after 2 months old of that material. Okay, there are 3 turnings. Then this dark material is shifted on a ground on the rectangular heap to ripen for a month when it is ready for application. Okay, this is the first method, that is indoor method or heap method. There have one precaution takes place in that, that is during a rainy season heap are protected with shade. Okay, because it loses the nitrogen leach down, also it loses the nitrogen for polarization process if sunlight is at contact with their material. Then this is a fully aerobic decomposition method. That's why the cost of labor is increased for turning process, also watering, daily watering process. Also in that method loss of organic matter and nitrogen are high, but manures is obtained within 3 to 4 months. Also it's better decomposed than anaerobic method. Okay, so this is the first method, that is indoor method or heap method. Okay, if any difficulty regarding this topic or any question, you can message me or ask me. Okay, next lecture we discuss on second method, that is Bangalore method or pit method, and third that is Nadip method. Okay, thank you.